Robbinsdale Area Schools Early Childhood Family Education, laying a foundation for lifelong learning.
Hi, I'm Aldo Sicoli, Superintendent. Welcome to Robbinsdale Area Schools.
Welcome to Early Childhood Family Education. We're so happy you've come to join us.
Our goal in early childhood family education for the last 36 years has been to build relationships in families and the community. We do this by providing educational experiences and support for families and their children birth to age 5. In ECFE, we offer classes that parents and children attend together with options throughout the day and evening.
We have found that that me and Moses are better connected together since we have this parent time with him, that he loves it, and it's better for me because I can take the time off of our busy schedule to come here and have our parent-to-parent and mom-to-mom and kid-to-kid interaction with him.
I recommend the program because it is rewarding for the education, not only for yourself but for your children.
We found a great resource of information as parents. Our kids have had a great opportunity to meet other families, other kids, learn and grow in just a safe, fun environment. We've had
As a 3S employee, we don't have to explain who we are anymore. The industry recognizes API as a leader, whether it's in fire protection or specialty construction, and our employees feel that. They know that when they walk on a job site. There's a certain confidence that they have that they're being backed and supported by the best in the business.
Bonjour.
Eh, bonjour!
Closed your eyes and walked away. You left me there. I thought you cared. You took me out all day and night. We had
Nous allons descendre. Let's go down the hill. Okay, so we put our skis on here and then we just ski down?
Yeah, you tight your boots, of course, and we put the skis on. And we start, so at the beginning of the descent, you will see it's little icy, so be careful, go slowly, just follow me. And after, I will give you all the information for skiing on the glacier, okay?
Okay, do you have to sign anything or?
No. No?
No?
No. So I want to show you the crevasse and to explain you the snow cap and.
Well, I've been here 10 years, and every year we have been here at the Capitol, and it's basically, as the State Zoo of Minnesota, we want to make sure that our legislators and their constituents are aware of what the zoo is doing in terms of our education programs. And of course, this year, like in many years, we do have a request. We're part of the bonding bill, and so we're also hoping to make some progress in that front as well. Certainly it's a great awareness building time because the place is full of kids and school groups and others who are here who get a chance to see the animals from our Zoomobile program, which we actually use to take out to the entire state. We visit every county in the state in about a 2-year cycle with educators and animals from the zoo so that even people who can't visit the Minnesota Zoo can be touched by our education programs. We've seen the results. The last few bonding sessions have resulted in major new changes at the zoo, the highest attendance in the zoo's history last year, and higher prominence for the zoo than we've ever had before. And we'd like to keep the momentum going with our current request, which is to redevelop the education center and the entrance of our zoo, including a new penguin exhibit. We are part of the bonding bill. Right now we're in each, the Senate, the House, and the governor, all at the same level. So we're hopeful that a bonding bill is coming out soon.
One of my favorite sayings, when you love snow, the places you can go. And the best way to see those ski places in the world is with NASJA, the North American Snow Sports Journalists Association. You know, if you like to ski and then you like to tell stories about it, why not put it down on paper or put those photographs online and be a part of this organization, the world's largest group of ski journalists, snow sports journalists. So if you're a snowboarder, we let you in too.
Hi, Greg Snow with NASJA. Snow, what a great name for a ski journalist. This is my buddy Martin. He works for a newspaper, and yeah, they still exist, right?
They sure do.
Why do people want to join NASJA? What's the reason?
NASJA is a way to meet other people, other snow journalists. NASJA is a way to meet people in the industry, get story ideas, gives you ideas, places to go where I would have never thought to go. I've been a member, I guess, about 12 years, and it's given me many, many opportunities.
Awesome. Join NASJA. That's NASJA.org.
This is Insurance Agent, your complete mobile strategy to grow your business and connect with clients and prospects. Insurance Agent is a turnkey mobile solution with a range of features not found in other apps and easy-to-use business tools to keep you ahead of the competition. On the mobile side, Insurance Agent gives your clients convenient access to your agency, including carrier claims and bill pay links,